Kash Patel, who has been acting director of the ATF, has been replaced by the Secretary of the Army, Dan Driscoll. It's unclear exactly why this change took place, but some reports indicate Kash has been busy with the FBI position and has only visited ATF headquarters once. Given missed deadlines to fulfill the Trump administration's executive order on restoring firearms rights, and the lack of movement on pardoning those prosecuted by an overly zealous DOJ, you can look at this a few ways. If you're an optimist, you can say that, well, Kash is busy cleaning up the FBI, and the Secretary of the Army isn't as busy. With this change, we can finally see some movement on the promises of the Second Amendment. On the pessimistic side, you could say, well, they are overburdening another person for this task with a second job because it's clearly on the back burner compared to other goals. As more time passes and we don't see any more real action by this administration, that glass is looking ever more empty, but Danny Driscoll does seem to be pro-gun rights, so hopefully he can start kicking things into gear. I mean, it's in his blood. If you'd like more and to be kept up to date on these things, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.